What is going on, y'all? It is Every Penny Counts, and I got another cash shop on one of my favorite apps, Upside. All the information you need to get started with this app is in the description. Sign up and definitely use my referral link so you get an extra 15 cent on your first fill up. That is, not a joke. You really get extra 15 cent. Real quick, I just want to cash out $15.38, but I'm gonna show you, of course, if you're not familiar with the app, how to use it. Basically, it's a cashback app for gas. So basically, every time you go get gas, it'll show you gas stations that are close to you in your area, whatever, or wherever you are at the time, that are offering cash back. Now, for instance, for me, this Shell gas station down the street. Now, the price at that gas station is really $2.09, but using this app, it'll be $1.99 because they're going to give me 10 cents off on each gallon. And actually, if I go in the store and buy anything, I get 5 cents cash back. Now, these numbers, they change from time to time. It really just depends on, a lot of different factors, but you'll always usually get cash back on, gas stations that are somewhere near you, whether it's a Shell gas station or some other gas station. You can also get cash back on food. If I go to Burger King right here, I'll get 15% cash back. All I have to do is basically take a picture of the receipt, whether I get gas or food, just take a picture of the receipt. And that's how they credit you. If I go to this Exxon, because the gas is cheap there, it's only $1.89, I'll get 1 cent for each gallon. I'll get that back. If I go to Wendy's, and it's closed right now, but if I go there, I get 25% cash back. So basically, if I spend $10 there, they're going to give me $2.50. You know what I'm saying? Just easy money, y'all. Easy money. I've made a lot of money with this app. Let me show you my history real quick, just to show you how much I've made just in the month of February so far. Today is actually the 10th, and I've already made $15.38 just off cash back from gas. You see here on that day I made $7.50. It's issues found because I actually got more than let me see what the issue was. I think it's more. I got more than $15 of 50 gallons. See right there, gallons bought 59 over 59 gallons. They only give you cash back for 50 up to 50 gallons. So if I tap learn more, so learn what it was. Upside offer maximum gallons of 50 gallons of gas. So man, that's what it was. So I got more than 50 gallons. Why I said the issue, but I made $7.50 just for that trip. So I mean, that's why it's easy money. Like I had to fill it up, so might as well just get paid to do that. Back to my history real quick, just show you what I made in January. This is February so far. I'm not even halfway through through February, but in January I made $37.59. You know what I'm saying? So I'm making money with this app every single month. It's not a joke. I'm getting paid to my PayPal every single time. Like I said, all you're doing is, getting cash back for gas, and it adds up very quickly. You see, I'm getting $15, I'm getting $37. I'm cashing out all the time. I have numerous cash outs on this app. So, I mean, it really does add up. Even though it says 10 cents off each gallon, you might not think that's a lot, but you get gas all the time. You might as well just get paid to get gas. Never again get gas for free. So definitely download this app today. Like I said, all the information you need is in the description for you to sign up. Use my referral code. That way you can get 15 cents off each gallon. And I'm going to cash out real quick. Cash out $15.38. You see here the different gift cards that they offer you. And at the bottom, you can get PayPal. You actually have a check mail to you if you want. But me, I do PayPal. You see there, I got $15.38. Cash out $15.38. I'm going to click continue. And they're going to ask me, just to confirm all my information, all that kind of good stuff. Submit. And it says it'll be there within 12 to 24 hours. So, I mean, usually get it the same day. Easy money, just getting cash back from gas and eating out. I mean, it's just simple, easy, not difficult to do. Like I said, it'll show you gas stations and restaurants that are offering cash back in your area. So it's just up to you to go get it. All you got to do is when you go to the gas station, get your receipt. If they don't give you a receipt at the pump, go into the store and ask for your receipt. Take a picture of it. Just make sure it has all the information, like the address of the gas station, how many gallons you got, and you have to use a debit card. That's another important thing I want to tell you. You have to use a debit card. It won't work if you use cash. So just make sure all the information is valid on the receipt. When you take a picture, it'll usually tell you if something is missing. So if something's missing, just retake the picture and just make sure everything is there. But one thing I want to remind you is never throw away the receipt until you get credited for it. So after you get credited for it, you can throw away the receipt or whatever. But Keep the receipt just in case they need more information, just in case they didn't see the address or they didn't see how many gallons you bought. That way you can always get your cash back. All right, so easy app to use. You saw I just cashed out $15.38. You see what I've made in the month of February so far. You see what I made in January. I'm trying to make over, my goal this month is to make over $40. You know, I did $37.59 last month. I'm trying to do over 40 this month. So I'm just gonna keep raising the bar. You see what I'm doing? I go to Valero a lot of cash back offered at that gas station, so that's why I go there. And this one is still processing. I don't think it's going to credit because it's something that I messed up on my end. Just because sometimes you can do check-in, like you don't even have to use your receipt if it just shows that you went to the gas station and you used a certain credit card that you have on file. Because I have a card on file with this app. You don't have to do that. It's just something I did just to kind of make it easier. But I put the wrong card for that gas station, so that I don't know if it's going to process or not. It probably won't, because that card that they're trying to process, I didn't get gas with that app. With that card, but I did get gas there from it. So whenever it says it's, issue found, I still had a receipt. So I'm going to take a picture of it and still get my cash back, because I think at that one, I got 13 cents gallons cash back. I think I got like 8 gallons that day. So, little money adds up. It adds up very quickly because you see what I'm making using this app. So I've been using it for some months now. When I first started, I really wasn't making as much. You see right there, November 2019, I made $2.67. But I've been using this app for months. You see what I've made just in the past, in March, April, and in May. You know what I'm saying? I really didn't make a lot, but now I'm really on this app. So you see in the last 2 months, I've really, jumped in my earnings because I'm really taking it more seriously now. So I encourage you guys to do the same thing. Download the app. It's in the description. Use my referral code. That way you can get an extra 15 cents on your first gallon. So for instance, going back to that gas station, if you go to the Shell gas station or whatever, if let's say you go to any Shell gas station, you got 10 cents off already. When you use my referral code, I can't talk right, you get an extra 15 cents. So that means you get 25-cent cash back off the gallon. So it's very important to use the referral code. That way you can make even more money. All right, so download it today. Use my referral code. If you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe if you're interested in learning how to make money online completely free. That's what I'm here for, to show you guys how to do that with so many tutorials and cash out. So definitely get involved with it today. Download the app, get started, start making money, and always remember, every penny counts.